Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to track phone number location. So first of all, you guys make sure that this video is for educational purpose, and you guys can use for your own tasks, not for illegal or any other task. So without wasting time, let's get started. So you guys have to just simply use Google Find My Device in order to track your phone number location or phone location. So for that, you have to just simply open up Play Store on your phone which is available to you. So in that, you have to just simply search for Find My Device and simply open up this application and simply install it and open up this application. So after opening up this app will requires your login. So in order to log in, you have to just simply make sure that you have to log in with the correct Gmail account which is connected with the victim's phone or that specific phone which is lost or you want to track the location. So make sure that you have to just simply sign in with that account which is connected with that specific device which you want to find the location. So after connecting with that Gmail account, the list of all the devices will appear to you, which is connected with that device. So you have to just simply select that specific account which is you think that currently connected with that account. So I'm just selecting the third one. So I just want to track the location of third one. So I'm just clicking on this third one, Google Pixel 3 XL, and you guys can see here it is providing us the complete our location of that device, and it is also describing us which Wi-Fi network is connected to that, and they are also telling us the battery percentage, and you guys can also add some features by just click on getting the directions, and you guys can get the exact map of that specific device, and you guys can find and track the location of that specific device by just selecting the last option. Or you guys can secure the device. If you think that your device has been lost or stolen, then you guys can also just simply click on secure device and add a password, and you guys can also add some of your necessary information in order to show that specific or necessary information on your lock screen of that specific phone. Or you guys can also play the sound by just clicking on that. Then after pressing this option, the sound will be automatically played on that specific phone which we want to track the location. Then you guys can, in order to get that idea from the location. So this is the complete way to track the phone number location. So I hope these methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.